How to create a simple REST API in Go? The first step is to create a Mux, HTTP request multiplexer. To create a handler, we use mux.handleFunc, where the first parameter is the root pattern, and the second parameter is the function that handles the request. This function must take two parameters, http.responsewriter and http.request. We can also create a second handler for the same path, but handling the post method. In this handler, we can read the request body by using io.readAll. If error would not be nil, we will handle this by returning a status internal server error. Set the response header content type to application/JSON and return a JSON response to the agent. Also, we can back to our first handler and we can get query value form request and return it to agent. Just use HTTP listen and serve. First parameter is port and second is mux. Now our API is ready to run. We will use Thunder Client to test our endpoints. First endpoint is test and method is get, and we add a parameter. Second endpoint is also test and method is post. But here, we have to add some body. Like and subscribe for more content.